course, thank you for liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel. I honestly so appreciate it, as my main objective is to empower, to inspire, and to share knowledge with all of you. Also, check me out on Instagram down here. I literally post daily pictures and videos on fashion, makeup, and all the upcoming videos that I will be making, as it is a plethora of types of videos, so you won't miss anything. With that, hit the subscribe button down here, as well as the little bell, so you are notified when I upload videos every single week. Now, again, let's get into this video, which is all about DIY. I am a DIY junkie, and I love to see something that, of course, I really love, that is generally super expensive, and make it my own for a fraction of the cost. I mean, doesn't that sound amazing? So I had seen these lamps right here from Birch Lane, and I'm like, wow, those are actually kind of cool, and they seem kind of timeless, you know, beaded with the shade. I'm like, that's pretty cool. And then I looked at it and I was like, 2 for $180? Like, people, I shop at Ross. Like, lamps are like $15, $20. I'm not spending $180. So I was like, you know, this project looks super easy. I'm gonna do it myself. So here we are with it. What we're gonna do, so here I have, of course, a lamp. By all means, if you have a lamp at your house that you want to redo, like, that is honestly the best. But I kind of wanted to find a lamp that was somewhat similar to the shape. Of course, I couldn't find the exact shape. I also only looked at 2 different stores, a Salvation Army and a Goodwill. And so I just picked this guy up. So this was $3.99 from Salvation Army. Honestly, I do feel like it was a little expensive. The Salvation Army by my house is very expensive for like literally no reason. I was like, why is this $3.99? It does work, but if I went to the Goodwill, I felt like it would have been a lot less than $3.99. Anyway, so I have this lamp. By all means, if you have one at home, use it. Now, then, of course, beads from the dollar store. So what is so funny, and I'm sure if you've ever experienced it, when you've seen something a million times and then when you actually go to get it, it's not there. So of course I was looking for the beads that were already gold, and I literally went to 5 or 6 Dollar Trees. No, they didn't have what I was looking for. The only time I go looking for gold or silver beads, they're not there. So all they had were these multi-strand colors, which is actually totally fine because I was gonna spray paint it anyway. But I was actually thinking this would actually be really cool, clearly, for like a kid's room, like totally fun. But let's just see what we can come up with. So I have these beads. I did buy 5 packs. I don't know how many I'll need. I'm thinking less, but we will see. I have 5 packs. And of course you're gonna need a trusty hot glue gun. So I do have this. By all means, if you prefer to use like a certain glue, go for it. But I love the hot glue gun because it's clearly simple and you can like take it apart easily, like instantly. And then also I do have the Rust-Oleum silver paint. I literally have 3 different types of silver metallic paint at my house. So I just chose this one. I can't remember. I've actually looked up like which ones like give the most brilliance, and I think it is this style. So I do have a fresh can. Yay, fresh can, so I can spray the heck out of this guy. I'm really excited. So yeah, so that's all you really need. And then I do have a lampshade that actually was currently on a lamp at my house. Now, do I think this is the best one? No, but this is actually just fine, just so you can see the end product. So I will continue to go to the Salvation Army or the Goodwill and find a different shade that's a little smaller of a drum. All right, so let's get going on this project and see how fabulous it can be. I'm actually gonna start, of course, using the back of the lamp as where I'm gonna have my glue line. So that way, if it's kind of messy, which it may be, I can hide it. think the beginning's always going to be the toughest with something like this because you're just getting started. Like generally getting started with anything is the toughest point of it all. Okay, so I think the easiest way, as I'm just figuring it out, is to just glue this big part in the middle where all my points are, wrap it around, stick the one end in, and then stick the other end, and then cut it off. And then of course using the tweezers if necessary to kind of align it the way that I want it. Oh my god, this is looking so good so far. All right, let's work that magic. Of course, putting the glue line in the back of the lamp for my point that will be hidden. And then literally, like I mentioned, like going all the way around with the hot glue gun was the best way for me to secure the beads all the way around without them getting a little crazy. So this was the best way, literally just plugging and chugging all the way around the lamp and just going at it. And it was perfect. Okay, so here's the lamp. Oh my gosh, all beaded. It probably took me about 1 hour to totally do this. And I actually used more hot glue than I thought. I thought I would just like do certain points, but literally hot glued the entire thing all the way around. And I dig it. I dig it. What do you guys think? And I even think even for like a kid's room or just a fun room, really great. But let's get to spray painting now. Okay, so actually just gonna show you the lamp right here. I mean, look how great this is. I just really love it, and I love how it almost looks exactly like the photo. Look how great that is. So good, and honestly, like I'm not the most clean when it comes to hot gluing. Like I'm not a perfectionist by any means, so if you are a perfectionist, it would look even better. Yes. So of course, I will leave the link down below for the silver beads from Amazon. If you do want to get those packs, that would definitely make this look actually even better. So here's the link down below for my Instagram. Definitely check me out on Instagram. And because I literally post daily pictures and videos and IGTV on fashion, makeup, and all these upcoming videos. As you all know, it is a plethora of types of videos that I make for everyone. So, because remember, life is short. Why not have fun? DIY, have fun with makeup and clothes, and literally be amazing, because it is your absolute right every single day of your life to be fabulous, and also your home's mission as well. Let your home be fabulous too. So just as fabulous as you are. So again, thank you, and we will see you soon. Bye.